Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and I thought I would bring you along with me today and show you what I was doing on the day before Thanksgiving. Okay, it is like 1:45 and I virtually have done nothing. I am soaking the Oasis for the flowers in here. This is something I was already using. I think it's good and soaked now. I'll turn it upside down. So then I thought I would use these two things. I hope I have enough flowers for all of that. If not, I might have to go buy more. So I cut it to fit. Yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna soak it in the container. I'll fill that up more with water. So I need to cut this one and soak that too. Yeah. All right, I'm soaking this again because I forgot to put the whatever that stuff is called, the food, fresh flower food. So these are soaking. See, that has holes in it, so I have to put it in the bowl, but there's some water in there. I'll soak that for a while before I put the flowers in it. I'm going to go ahead and wash these tablecloths, not the runners, because they're going to be super wrinkled. Be easier to wash them than it would be to iron them. Yeah, I'm just going to wash them all so they'll be fresh. I kind of feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I need to make a timeline for tomorrow because I have to go to the park and set the tables up before everybody gets there. And everybody's supposed to, I don't know, we're going to eat at 1. But maybe people will be there before that, so I don't want to be decorating the tables. So I need to sit down and make a list. And yeah, so I need to, this is what I'm going to make my apple cranberry crumble. I realized last year I made apple pear. I don't know, why does that look like that has a big old crack in it? What the heck? Oh, dang it. I might have to use that. What's that? And then I need that one up there for the zucchini casserole. Crack, or is it just crazy? Oh, I think that's crack. Oh, what the heck? Oh, look at all right there too. Oh, something else to make it in. I don't really want to make it in that big. I could make it in a pie dish, right? Or this. And this is pretty. I could make it in there. Or the pie dish. I could do the pie dish. All right, crisis diverted. I think I'll do that in the pie dish. And I guess that's gonna go in the garbage. I don't really have very many casserole dishes. It's just this one, and then that one, and that one. That's it, because I've gotten rid of them. Yeah. Well, now I can buy a new pretty one, like a Pioneer 111 or something like that. Or make do without it until I need one and see how that goes. Yeah. This is better anyway, because I think that other dish was probably too big, and so I want it to be like a pie amount, because we're gonna have other pies. And that other dish is probably too deep and stuff anyway, so and this is for the zucchini casserole. All right, so I didn't start baking. I really need to, because I don't think I'm gonna have time in the morning. So, I mean, it should be thrown together real quick, like 30 minutes, probably not even 20 and 30 minutes, but I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, so that's an hour and a half plus baking time. And I still have laundry that I haven't put away. I probably would feel better. It's not necessary, but I probably would feel better if I did that. Yeah. And clean up my mess over here, and yeah. I'm gonna make my list here. Timeline for tomorrow. All right, here's my timeline, sort of, kind of. This is making me feel better. If I get up at 6 and I pack the car, I can pack the car tonight if I feel like it. But yeah, I could do that. We'll just see. But so I can do that anytime today. But if not, pack the car. And then I still have 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I need to get shower and dressed so that I'm not rushed going to the park to set up after I've packed all the car. And it's going to take me an hour probably to set up. I'm giving myself an hour. Maybe it won't take that long. And then we're going to eat at 1 o'clock. So that's my timeline. And gives me some flexing here in case something happens. I don't know. Because I have to go to the bathroom. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, and I have a load of wash in the dryer. I just need to clean up in general, and then my brain can relax and feel better. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go around the house and straighten up a little bit. And yeah. I need to make the flower arrangements. Okay. I can do it.
I wonder how come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves?
Alright, flower arrangement's done. I could check that off my list. Oh, I was gonna, I don't know. Do I want to soak this some more? I feel like I do. These ones are already got water in the bottom of them, so maybe will be okay. Pretty, right? So $14.99 for that whole bouquet, and it made 3 little things. I'm thinking if you had a wedding, that would be really easy to do. And I like low stuff so you can talk to the person across the table. I don't know, I don't tend to like a regular vase of, I'm gonna clean all that up, of flowers. Yeah. I'm gonna put those on the table at Thanksgiving. All right. I gotta clean up this mess and put the tablecloths in the dryer. All right, and my sweatshirt came today. Now it could be even a little bigger. That's what hubby said. I should have never asked him. He doesn't usually care, but then when I ask, like, yeah. So it's supposed to be a shirt, not a sweatshirt. It's like really thin. It's supposed to be a shirt, not a sweatshirt. So just a hoodie sweatshirt. So it's fine. It could be a tiny bit bigger, but it's fine. That's the biggest size I had. So there's that. 4 o'clock and I haven't baked anything yet. So I'm going to do the apple cranberry crumble. Obviously, I'm not going to store to get the pears. I'm going to wash these because I am not going to peel them. No, I'm not. So I need to wash them. And look up the recipe. I'm sure it's not that complicated. Yeah.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Okay. It's in the oven. I kind of did my own thing and what do you want to say? What's the word I'm looking for? Added to the recipe, and it's not rocket science. So I felt there was enough crumble on top, so I added more. Yeah. And then we have a mess. And I ended up only using 3 apples. So let me clean up this mess. Okay, next is zucchini casserole. If you're not seeing me making this, I decided to go ahead and film it or show the making of it in another video that you would have already seen. Alright, so zucchini, mushrooms, I need onions, and celery. Do I need celery? Yeah, I don't know about celery. I'm not even sure about the mushrooms. I need some onions. Let me use what I have first before I break open a new bag. I just knew I would use a lot of onions, so I bought another bag. I kind of need a bowl. I need this big bowl, probably. I don't know, I probably could use this one. So these were soaking. So I should have done this earlier this year. I didn't think to put flowers in there. It's really pretty. I like it. All right, I think that's done soaking. It'll be good. Obviously, that looks better if it was spread out. It's going to be spread out into different tables and stuff, so. Not coming out. Let me get the phone down. Okay, making zucchini casserole. I actually couldn't find a recipe online that was like we usually make it every year. And my dad used to make it and everything. I'm going to modify it and put some mushrooms in it, I think. And, yeah, and put it in this casserole dish. And, yeah, let's get to cutting everything up. Breadcrumbs, cream of celery seeds, onions, butter, mushrooms, zucchini. Oh, sour cream. I need some sour cream, too. Forget about that. And some salt and pepper, too. So. So that's ready to put in the oven. And I just kind of winged it. I didn't measure. You don't need to measure. Anyway, but one thing I did do is, because I was doing the crumble on the apple cranberry crumble thing, I thought, well, shoot, because I could do that with the breadcrumbs. So usually I'll put the breadcrumbs on here, sprinkle them on, and then put pats of butter on. And yeah, and then you just got little, it doesn't distribute. I'm like, why not melt the butter, put it in there with the breadcrumbs, whisk it up, and then put it on top. You know, it worked so much better. After umpteen years of making this, I finally figured that out. All right, I just jizzed the top of that. Nobody will be the wiser. Shh, don't tell anybody. I need to clean up the edges. Okay. I would not cook that apple cranberry crumble. It said $4.25. That was, and I don't even think I cooked it enough. I'm not putting it back in. We'll see. So that's done. The zucchini casserole's done, and the flower arrangement's done. I just need to make the zuppa. Maybe tomorrow morning. It doesn't take long, and I can't mess that one up because I've made that many times, and yeah. Or do I want to do it before I go to bed tonight? I do have some time, but I need to put my feet up for right now. I'm tired. Okay, I cleaned it up even more. Took all the liquor drops off, and I actually tasted it too. I want to eat some of it now. It's really good. I was worried that it wasn't done enough. And I love tart stuff, so the cranberries are tart. That's yummy. I'll be eating that tomorrow, and it's gluten free. Okay, the zucchini casserole is done, so tomorrow I just have to heat both of these up and make the zuppa toscana if I don't make it tonight. So who's gonna help me clean up? Actually, there's not really that much. I just have to, I've been cleaning up as I go. So there's really not a whole lot to clean up. I've been doing pretty good cleaning up. All right, got that mostly cleaned up. This is the stuff for the zuppa. This kale and stuff. I'm thinking I need to rest for a little bit though. It's 5:40 and I'm thinking making this because I'll make this for dinner tonight, and what's left over I'm gonna make a huge pot of it, and what's left over I can bring to the almost dropped that on my foot. I can bring to dinner for appetizer. And then the only other thing I have to do is finish putting together all the tablescape stuff. I had footage of it and I was gonna do a vlog, whatever. So I'll just do this now. So I do have the tablecloths in the dryer. I need to put them in the wash machine. So this is stuff I'm taking to the park. This is silverware, napkins and stuff and cups that I'm in charge of. Cups, napkins, plates. And then these are the cups I'm gonna use for the zuppa toscana, if people want that. And I need to take this runner. I'm gonna take the runner, the pumpkins, that kind of thing. And then the flowers are gonna come too. And then all this stuff. And I gotta get the tree out. Cause last year I brought the little mini tree to the park and to take pictures with, Christmas pictures with. That worked out really well. And put the tree on the bench and a couple throw pillows, Christmas throw pillows. All right, I gotta still put that stuff together, but I can do that tomorrow. Just grab a couple more things, really. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Yeah, and I kind of want to put this vlog together for you. So tomorrow I will put together another vlog, I guess. I've been vlogging, and was gonna do it one video, but not happening. Whatever. Yeah. Hey, I did end up making the zuppa toscana, but I did not show it in this video. I will put a link down below in the description. I have made it before. I just didn't have time to put it in this video. Until next time, guys, enjoy your Thanksgiving.